everybody, welcome to Friday Night Frights. This is the second Friday in the series, so if you missed the previous one, make sure you check out my Halloween playlist on my YouTube channel, and there you'll find all of my Halloween videos. And I would love to have you join me for the upcoming Fridays, so make sure you hit that notification bell. And don't forget to give me that thumbs up, that would be greatly appreciated. So I have this cute little folio here, and I made this with leftover items from the previous project, which was the cute monster album. And I knew early on I wasn't going to have room to fit all of the fun little things in the collection in that one album. And so I thought I'd set aside a lot of the stuff that had to do with witches and whatnot so that I can make a cute little project with that. And I really love how this turned out. I love the colors. I love this green. And with the oranges and purples, it's just really fun. So uh, it is not very big. It is 4 1/8 inches wide by 5 1/8 inches tall. It has a 1/2 inch spine. And on the spine, I've just wrapped this polka dot ribbon around and then tied a little knot and then just tied a little piece of baker's twine on there for a little bit of orange and black color. And then I have these cute little charms in my stash. There's a little broom and a little witch hat, and I don't know where they're from. These were gifted to me, so I don't know where they came from, but I've just got them tied on here with a cute little orange bow. And then I have a large plastic spider here with some ribbon, just so that you know that you can lift this up. And underneath I have this cute little card with the little witch and her pumpkin, and I've created this little scene with the stickers from the sticker sheet. And then here is room here for a 3x4 photo. And then on the edge of this pull out here or fold out, I have the cute little mini pom-pom trim. Okay, so we open this up here to find a cute little witch's feet with her broom, and this was actually a name tag that I got when I went to a Halloween crop a few years ago. And I just thought this was so cute that I had saved it for all these years, and I finally pulled it out of the box to use it. I thought it went so well with this paper collection, and I just pulled my name off and then replaced it with a little sign that I made with one of the stickers from the sticker sheet. And then I popped this sticker up onto some foam and added a bit of rickrack trim. And then this page is also a pocket. And there is a cute little photo tag here. So room for a photo, and of course the October 31st. That's when the witches come out. And then here I have a cute little pocket with the witch's hat. And this actual sticker is from a different collection. I just needed a little something extra to add in. I wanted a little bit more orange here on the pocket. And then this cute tag with the witch's feet, and room for journaling or photo, and a photo mat here with the double toil and trouble. It's so cute. Love the jack-o'-lanterns. And then here I have a couple photo mats with a couple more stickers from the collection. Broomstick parking only. I think that is so cute. And, just room for maybe a 3x4 and a 4x4 photo here. So that's it. Oh yeah, and you probably heard that snap. There is a magnet closure there. But that's all there is to my cute little folio. It's just a fun little project, and I like making these little kinds of things with my leftover items. And so keep watching, and I'll show you how you can make your own. So to begin, you're going to need a piece of paper that is 8 3/4 by 5 1/8. And we're going to score at 4 1/8. and 5 1/8. And then you're going to need a piece of paper that is 5 1/8 by 4 3/4, and you're going to need the 4 3/4 across the top, and then you're going to score at 1/2 inch and 5/8. And now just burnish all of your folds. All right, so with the larger piece with the 1/2 inch fold on this side, you're going to open that up, and this one here, you're going to attach the 1/2 inch flap onto the right side here. And it's easier for me to flip it over and do it this way, so I'm just going to put that edge along that score line there. Okay, so now we have our cute little booklet, and now I want to put some magnets here for the closure, and then just double check and see if your you want to make sure that the edge of your paper doesn't go over that score line there, so you don't have any trouble closing it. When in doubt, you could always just take a little sliver of paper off that edge and make it a little bit shorter so that you don't have to worry about it getting in the way. Okay, so now I have a magnet closure there. And for the little pocket here, I have a piece of paper that is just a little bit less than 4 1/8 by 1 3/8. But however, I think I might just wait until I've got my design paper on here and before I glue that on. So I'm just going to set that aside. And now we have to make this little fold out here, and so for that you're going to need a piece of paper that is 3 1/8 by 8 1/4, and we're going to score that at 4 1/8. So the foundation for my folio is complete, and once I've added design paper to the cover here, then I can attach my booklet. And I actually attached my booklet once it was completely decorated. That was just easier for me. And on that, I did want to mention that I attached this ribbon onto the top of the card here, so it would have been this one here. And then I added another layer of black cardstock here to cover up the back of that ribbon, or the part that was attached to the page. And then I added the journaling card on top of that. And then I added my ribbon here, and so my ribbon is sandwiched in between this journaling paper and the cardstock. And then I just added a little spider on top of that. And so that makes a nice little handle to lift up your booklet. This tag here, in case you're curious, is 2 1/4 by 3 3/8. And all the papers on the folio are 4 by 5. This journaling card, of course, is 3 by 4, and as well as these here, 3 by 4. And the page here, I just glued it as a pocket. And your little pocket here, the design paper would be 4 by 1 1/4. Couldn't remember there for a minute. And then these photo mats are 3 1/8 by 4 1/8. And this one is 3 1/8 by 3 5/8. So the measurements on the gusset is 3/8 by 5. And that would also be the same measurement for the spine. And that's it. That's how you complete your cute little folio. So yeah, let me know in the comments how you're going to decorate your little folio. Are you going to decorate it Halloween or fall? And also let me know if you like to make little tiny booklets like this. So I'll catch you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget that thumbs up, please. And don't forget to watch next Friday. Bye.